Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 8-214-8C. This is your 12,000 pound trailer hub kit, complete with the bearing seals, swivel flange nuts, and the aluminum oil cap, fully interchangeable with Dexter and Carter axles and Lippert. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 8-214-8C. You have your 12,000 pound trailer hub right here, part number KC8-214-8, fully interchangeable with Dexter. And then we have the aluminum oil cap here, 4-inch in diameter, part number KC21-305. Has that nice fill port right there, so you don't have to worry about busting these right here. These are all aluminum, no more plastic stuff. We have your 10-56 oil seal and or grease seal. We have your inner bearing right here, which is the 3984, and then your outer bearing, which is the 28682, and then we have your 8 two-piece swivel flange nuts right here. So your whole 12,000 pound hub kit right here, everything you need, ready to go. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.